Hey guys, so today we will see how Twitter works. Click on the Twitter icon. You can see the home screen. Below the screen, there is an icon panel. Hope you guys are able to see that. On this panel, there is a home icon, search icon, notification pane, and a message icon. Let's understand each icon one by one. We will go with home icon first. In home icon, you will be able to see all the tweets posted by all who you are following. You can like the post, retweet the post, comment on the post, and even share the post. So let me show you with an example how we can do this. Example, Disha Patani have posted a tweet. So if I want to make a comment on that post, I need to click on this call out icon and can tweet what I want to say and then click on reply button. The comment will be posted. If I want to retweet it, then just click on the right side of the call out icon. We can see two icons, retweet and retweet with comment here. So if I want to only retweet, I will click on the retweet icon and the same tweet will be posted. If I want to retweet with comment, just click on the icon, type the comment and post it. If I want to like the post, then click on the heart shaped icon. The color of heart will change to red like this. If you want to share a tweet, then as shown below, you can share the tweet via direct message. You can even copy the link of tweet and share the tweet, or you can share the tweet via different social media modes will be shown once click the icon. Secondly, we will understand search icon. Through search icon, you can search a personality who is on Twitter. So to search a person, type the name of the person you want to search. For example, Saurav Ganguly. You will get a list of people having name account as Saurav Ganguly. Select the person you want to follow. Then click on the follow button. Next to the following button, you can see a bell button, that is notification icon. So if you click on this notification icon, you can click on all tweets where you will get the notification whenever the tweet is done by the person you are following. So now we have understood home icon, search icon. Now let's understand notification bell icon. So for this, I have to go to home screen again. In notification bell icon, there are two icons, all and mentions. In all, any retweet you have done or any likes you have done will be visible in all notification, or any likes on your tweet will be reflect or will be visible in all notification. In mention, in which when someone mention you in a tweet, you will see it here. So the last icon is message icon. With this icon, you can send a message, get a message. You just need to click the message icon in search type. In search type, the person name you want to message and then select the account and type message. Like this. Even you can add photos, GIF pictures with your message and you can send it. Just click on this arrow button. Now let's understand how you can tweet. To tweet, you can see a feather icon with a plus sign. Just click on this icon, type the message, and if you want to tag someone, then type account name like this, at the rate, you will get to know about that person and you can tweet it. Now this tweet will be visible to Akshay Kumar, so that's how you can post the tweet. So I'm deleting it. Now let's see how to manage your Twitter account. To manage your account, click on your profile picture. You will be able to see the count of people you are following and the count of followers you have, like this. See, 16 followings and 0 followers since this is a new account. So in the profile icon, you can see tweets and replies, media and likes. So if I click on the profile icon, I'll be able to see tweets and replies, media and likes. Tweets is a tweet which you have posted, like the tweet I have posted and tagged to Akshay Kumar will be visible here. Tweets and replies, where any tweet of the people you are following and your tweets will reflect here. Tweets and replies, where any tweet of the people you are following and your tweets will reflect here. Also the replies will be visible here. In media, any tweets you have shared with photos or videos will be visible here. Likes, any likes which I have done from my Twitter account will be visible here. Now let me show you how you can log out from the Twitter account. Click on the settings and privacy button, click on account. Here you can add your phone number, you can change your password, you can change your country name. Here you will get an option of logout. If you want to deactivate your account, just click on deactivate account. So this is how you can log out the Twitter account. And so this is how you can use Twitter account effectively, and you can see what your followings are doing and what your followers are tweeted. Thank you so much.